Hello, hello. Long time, long time. Uh, so today is on 1st of January 2025. So I'm here just to um chat a little bit about how the year was. Mm, I've kept some gloss. I had it on since morning, as usual. Yeah. So 2024 was crazy. Wacha tu niambie ukweli, 2024 was crazy. Okay, it wasn't crazy. It had the good and the bad. And it wasn't easy. It had its own challenges. In terms of like what's going on in my life. Also content creation and being consistent was very, very challenging. Having like content ideas and times that I feel like I'm not doing enough, but again I'm trying to push myself to do better. It was just like it was a bit of a dance over there, but yeah, thank God I came out of 2024 healthy, alive. My loved ones are doing okay. I have you guys with me, my subscribers. Thank you so much, really, for being and staying with me through this whole shebang bang. Hey, June Merudi, must be nice. With this whole, I know I've not been that consistent, but you guys stuck with me through 2024. It's the year that I became consistent for the whole year, but my consistency wasn't like weekly like that, but at least I was trying to push content each and every month for you guys. I'm trying to show up more in 2025. And happy new year, guys. I hope you had a lovely Christmas. I wasn't able to do vlogmas and explained to my Instagram girlies that I won't be able to do it, but hopefully next year I'll be able to do it. Yeah, so hopefully this vlog will be up in January. I'm not sure of the date, to be quite honest, but yeah, I hope I'll be more consistent in 2025. I want to be more consistent, show up for you guys. I also want to grow my page, and if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Yeah, so if you have any like content ideas you'd like me to do or for you to see more of, you can comment down in the comment section. And yeah, so it's going to be a good year for us, I believe so. And we have grown so much, like in a span of a year, but I expected more. But like I'm grateful for what God has given me. So hopefully by May, around May, my channel is going to hit 2 years. Yeah. So I just want to keep up with the pace, with a good pace, because consistency takes big part in growth. Yeah. So I really have to try better and harder for you guys. So I wanted us to like chat kidogo what I've shared and tell you guys happy new year, prosperous year, a year full of peace, love, you know, and take care of yourselves, because if you're really waiting for others to take care of yourself, if you're waiting for others to take care of you and they fail to do that, and that time you're not taking care of yourself, it's not looking good, bro. So take care of yourself in a way possible, and try to have like the small joys of life. You know, you don't have to like do big things or receive big things for you to be happy in life. The small things really count, right? So I made cabbage in the morning, but my sister prepared a meal for us. So we're going to eat. But I don't feel hungry, so I'll eat the time that I feel hungry. It's around 3 p.m. I had breakfast around 10. Yeah, I had late breakfast. So yeah. What else? I was supposed to do a vision board. I was supposed to create one. I don't know if I'm going to create it with you guys, but I have a few Pinterest inspos that I'm going to put together. And I hope I'll be able to vlog that as I'm like combining everything. Hopefully I'll be able to do that. I vlog with you guys. Yeah, basically. So that was the update kadogo. The small updates. Update ndogo. What have I said? Update kadogo. Like, girl. That was like my small updates. My little update for you guys. My hair has stayed for long. I love how they are because they, from afar, like they're not like neatly done. They look like overdue, but I like the look because it looks like dreadlocks, but they're not like dreadlocks. You know, I don't know, guys. I did my skincare today. I felt so good. I'm so motivated for this new year. I feel so peaceful. I feel like let's go. I'm in the go. I'm so energized for this year. Hopefully, through this year, I'll keep up with the same pace and the same motivation. Yeah. Yeah. So, I don't know when I'm going to drop this vlog, honestly, but it will be in the course of January. I can't believe I'm saying January. Oh my god, days are running, right?